next coil building technique is a decorative coil building technique. And I'm going to create a wall for this side of my project. So I'm going to kind of measure it out. Where'd my plate go? Okay, so this will be one wall. And I'm going to make a section about this, I'm not sure how tall it's going to be yet, but so I've got the top and the bottom of the section. Okay. Now, decorative coil building is, you guys have done this before, probably in elementary, where I'm going to coil the clay up. You can do it laying it down. Your clay needs to be wet. It can't be super dry clay. So if you've messed up the clay or it's kind of tough, don't try to do this with it. I'm going to roll it in from this direction too. See what happens here. So you want to keep it clean so that it looks nice. Okay, those two are about the same. So I'm going to fit that in there. And then I'm going to take another coil. I'll show you another one. So you can accordion fold it. So you're going flip and fold. It's like a ladder. You just keep switching directions. You guys see that? When you do this, it tends to want to crack here, but if you apply a little bit of pressure with your finger on the flat as you're folding it, that will support it a little bit more so it doesn't crack. I need a section that long, so I'm kind of planning out a design for my wall here. But you can plan these ahead of time, or you can just make a bunch of coils and fit them together however they fit together.
This brings back elementary school.
Yeah, you guys did this with me in like 3rd grade, I think, on those little bowls. Didn't we do little
Yeah,
coil
I
bowls?
remember that. That was the
Okay.
best.
Okay.
Wait, with you?
Yeah, would have been the Oxford.
Yeah.
If you were at Oxford,
No, that
I
was.
was
Who
at
was the
Oxford.
old?
was that you guys? Okay. So here's a section, and I'm gonna kind of press this together. What I'm doing is I'm building a section of wall, and then I'll do 2 more, one for each side. Okay. There's some gaps in this, and that's okay if I want there to be gaps in it. If I don't want there to be gaps right now, I can take little pieces of clay and fill it in. If your clay's starting to dry out, you wouldn't want to do this without getting those pieces wet. Okay. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to smoosh all this. Okay. I'm not pushing down super hard. The reason I'm not pushing down super hard is because I don't want to smash the design on the other side, because I want the pretty part to be on the outside edge. So I'm smooshing all these together with my finger.
Can you leave holes in it?
You can leave holes if you want to.
No, like a big hole. Like before you put the coil part in, could you leave that tiny? Okay.
Yep, you can do any design idea you want. You can
I got
do
one.
you can do this without making a wall. This is just one approach. But if you know you want it to be the same on each side and you want it to have a design and a plan, okay, see, girls? So when I pick it up, yeah. So when I pick it up, it's already smooth. Okay? So when I put this down, I'm still gonna scratch it and slip it.
Why do you have to do that?
It's how it stays together. It just suctions it kind of together. If you've ever seen a tile floor be put down, they take the grout and they pull through it and it raises it up. It's the same process. It creates a suction, and as you press it down, it drives any air bubbles out of there and locks it in place.
Also,
Just that with that little bit of
pretty sure it
slip.
also mixes it up, the 2 different ones.
Yep. So you're still going to need to smoosh this bottom rim down, this bottom edge down. Okay, same thing we did with the other one. Smoosh it down and then smooth it out.